The most important part of recovery is adaptation. We want to learn from what happened and be better because of it. The old saying goes, we know from experience that nobody ever learns from experience. Let's break that cycle. You can easily remember the highs and lows of past experiences. The task now is to learn the lessons from the highs and lows, squeeze the benefit out of those experiences, and use your newfound knowledge to improve for the future. This is where the next pattern comes in. This is called the get rid of the ghosts pattern. The purpose of this pattern is to learn lessons for improvement from past experiences and then place these lessons ahead in time where you will need them. Let's give it a try. As I talk through this pattern, I'm going to use the idea of reviewing your past race season to learn lessons from that season. Step 1. Replay the races. So this is where you're going to make a short video in your mind's eye of each of your races. As you replay the race, ask yourself to pay very close attention to the things that you did or did not do to make a difference for that race. For each race, identify what went really well and where you could have done something differently to make it better. Scribble down some notes for each race. Step 2. Summarize the lessons. Now look over your notes and see what you learned overall from all of your races. Did you consistently eat well? Did you manage negative thoughts well? Did you neglect to warm up properly for the swim sometimes? Did you struggle through the first 400 meters of the swim? Find those things that stand out from all of your races in general. Anything that you can change or anything that you want to continue to do. Once you've identified these things, try to boil it down to a small group of things that you're going to do different or that you want to continue to do. Shoot for right around 5 things maximum. Step 3. Place your lessons into the future. So now what we're going to do is we're going to use visualization to take those things we learned from step 2 and place them out in the future when we're going to need them. Maybe one of the lessons you identified in step 2 is that you often lost focus around the halfway point of the run leg. So make a little movie in your mind's eye of an upcoming race in which you are fully focused through the halfway point, when you are running really well and you really feel good. Maybe you went out too hard on the bike and want to pace yourself better to set up a great run. So make a little movie of your next race in which you meter out your bike effort and then run like the wind off the bike. A few mental rehearsals like this will really help on race day. This way you don't have to remember it during the race. Your mind already knows what to do and will automatically call up what you need to do. This is what we mean by placing your lessons into the future. By making these movies and rehearsing right now, you're setting your mind up to automatically do it in the future. Step 4. Put the past behind you. Now make a small mental image, like an icon, of each of your races from the past season. Make your icons so that they can contain your total experience for each race in each icon. Arrange the icons in front of you any way you want, like a collage or a film strip, or however you need to set it up so that you can see all the icons at once. Now move all the icons to a location behind you. You can send them far away or keep them close. Just make sure that they are out of sight and behind you, but in a place where you can retrieve them if you ever need to. If the icons don't want to be moved behind you, leave them where they are and step in front of them to get them behind you. And there you go. We learned the lessons we needed to from our past experiences. Then we visualized fixing things or continuing things and put that out in the future for when we're going to need it. And then we moved on. We put our experiences behind us.